to another set of hair hack videos. Take one part of your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, and then divide that ponytail into more than two halves of your hair. Tie each half with a rubber band to the lower end just like shown in the video. Give it a circular messy look. Take the other halves of the hair, tie it in the form of plaits, removing the loose ends and then rolling it upwards around that circular look. It may be complex, but it looks beautiful. Take one part of your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail and use a rubber band to mess it around and then pull out one strand and roll that strand upwards and inwards and secure it tightly with a bobby pin, giving it a circular look. Take one part of your hair, divide it into two, take another part, make pigtails out of it, give it a heart shape and then you're done. Take one part of your hair, roll it in a form of twisted manner and then around your previous hair, secure it tightly with your favorite moon-shaped bobby pin. Take two parts of your hair, divide it into two parts and then make pigtails out of those two parts, inserting it inside. See how cute it looks? Take one part of your hair, divide it into two, make it in the form of half ponytail. Then take another part and secure it with a rubber band. Take the three parts and then inserting it together and joining them properly, give it a messy look. See how pretty and elegant that look was. Repeat the same process again to give it a trendy look. It's done. Take one part of your hair, with the help of your finger, insert that previous part into the former ones. Then make it in the form of plaits and tie it in the form of knot. Thank you for watching.